Miami, Florida, known for its nice, beautiful beaches, its high rise apartments, and of course, its nighttime city life. But on the morning of August 24th, 1992, a shift in the atmosphere would change everything for Miami's history for years to come. This is Hurricane Andrew, a storm that never slept. Hurricane Andrew. You may have heard of that name before. This storm would go down in history as the most devastating storm to hit South Florida. But let's start from the very beginning of how this storm became so powerful. A tropical wave formed off the coast of Africa on August 14th, 1992, which was more than a week away from Miami's devastating landfall. This wave would continue to track west at about 23 miles per hour before becoming a tropical depression on August 16th. Shortly, the storm would claim the name Andrew after turning into a tropical storm on August 17th. Andrew began to move west as it was aimed for the Lesser Antilles, but then spared the islands as a Bermuda High turned the steering on the storm, making it a more west northwest path. At first, Andrew looked like to be a normal tropical storm that dealt with wind shear and wouldn't be that powerful, but that was far from the truth. So with these hurricanes, you have something called rapid intensification. What happened with that storm is that it moved in sort of the direction where the Bermuda High was carrying, but the subtropical atmosphere was able to still keep up with the conditions. So it rebuilt, it turned back west, and then it went through this system called rapid intensification, warm water temperatures. That storm continued to sort of go in that more westward direction, eventually going into areas like the Bahamas and then southern Florida. Now, this storm was known as a dangerous storm. As you can see, this is Hurricane Andrew getting to southern Miami-Dade County. And as you can see how big that storm is, this was the map of the flights and things like that of that nature of what was going on. And as you can see, these what NOAA has left us with. And as you can see, look at that piece of wood right through that palm tree in Homestead, Florida. Many houses destroyed, unfortunately, and that's what damage was caused by this hurricane. So with these hurricanes, you have something called rapid intensification. What happened with that storm is that it moved in sort of the direction where the Bermuda High was carrying, but the subtropical atmosphere was able to still keep up with the conditions. So it rebuilt, it turned back west, and then it went through this system called rapid intensification, warm water temperatures. That storm continued to sort of go in that more westward direction, eventually going to areas like the Bahamas and then southern Florida.